Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix LG Smart TV not turning on but its red light is on. Since you are watching this video, so you have problem with your LG TV. So stick to the video, don't skip any part, follow all the steps I have done and you will be able to solve your problem. Like the video and do subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon for latest notification. Now coming back to the video, LG TV that is not turning on and its red light is on. So I will show you how to fix this problem. Guys, method number 1 is a soft reset method. I have shown in my videos that before you do anything, firstly try the soft reset method. It is very simple. It's just to unplug your TV from the wall, wait for 60 seconds, don't be impatient, and then plug it back. Guys, believe me or not, it will solve maximum problems. If it doesn't care of your problem, method number 2 is viewers, try to unplug your router and modem, wait for 30 seconds, then plug these back. Now power on the TV and check if your TV powers up or not. If not, then move to the next step. Guys, this method works the most. Try to unplug the TV from the wall, locate the power button on the TV, not on the remote viewers. Power button on the TV panel. You have to press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Don't release it before 30 seconds viewers. After 30 seconds have passed, then you can release it. Then power on your TV and see the result. Guys, believe me or not, this method works 99%. Well, that's the video for today. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like it and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.